Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And here in this video, we are going to solve the question number 2 for UGC NET and GRF Computer Science Applications June 2020 paper. Question is, consider the undirected graph which is given here. Using Prim's algorithm to construct minimum spanning tree starting from node A, which one of the following sequences of edges represents a possible order in which the edges would be added to construct the minimum spanning tree. So in Prim's algorithm, we can choose any particular vertex, and thereafter we will join another vertex based on a minimum edge, right? So here if you will see AB, 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 AB. So first edge they will consider that AB, this edge is considered, right? So okay. Thereafter, if you will see from this B, we have that edge whose weight is 8, and this edge A2 its weight is also 8. Means we can consider this as well as we can consider AH. Okay, so we can consider AH as well as we can consider B or C, right? But we cannot consider BH because BH is having 11 weight, which is definitely false. Why it is false? Because we at the next time we need to choose the minimum weight. 11 is greater than 8, so it is not the possibility. Hence option B is false. Similarly, after AB, G and H, G and H. But after AB, if I will join AB using Prim's algorithm, if I will connect after AB, GH, then it should be like that: A and B and H and G. So in Prim's algorithm, that is not the possibility because here it is breaked. So option 4 is also false, right? Now we have one choice like AB and then BC, or we may have another choice like AB or AH. Okay. Thereafter they are taking GH. So okay. So if I joined with AH, okay. So if AB is there, means if this edge is chosen, and after that if they are choosing AH, means they can also choose ANH. Okay. So after that they have chosen GH, which is having less one weight, because on H we have 11, 7 and 1, on which this is the lesser weight. So HG, it is correct. In option 3, after BC, they are choosing CI. So it is also correct because this path is for option A. This path is for option 3. Right? This is for option A. This is for option 3. So both are correct right now. Now after in option A, they are choosing, after GH, they are choosing F and G. So after that, they are choosing F and G. That is also correct because on G we have one edge which is 6 and it is weight 7. So the next laser weight is 2. So it is correct. And in path 3, FG, FGH, after GH, they are choosing FG. This is the option 1. And in option 3, after CI, they are choosing CF. Means from this I we have 7, 6, 7, 4. So this is the ledger part. So this is the correct. CF is the correct. Till now, option 1 and 3 both are correct. Now let's again come to option A. We have CF. So after GF, we are connecting CF. It is again correct. It is again correct because on this F, 4 is the laser path. So we have to connect this C with the F. So it is correct till now. And after CF, in path 3, we are joining FG. We are joining F and G. We are joining F and G in this path, which is already there now. F and G is already here, right? F and G is already here. Okay, and thereafter we have GH. So here after we have G and H. GH is already there in path 3. If you will see on path 3. Okay, so in after CI, after CF, after CI, we are joined CF. CI, after we have joined CF, and thereafter we have joined FG. In path 1, we have joined CFFG. So correct. And in path 1, CI. CI means this path. It is also correct. Thereafter in path 1, CD, that is this path. After this I, this is 7, so they can also take this, but if you will take this, it will make a cycle, so it is not possible. And if you will take this path, then if you'll take this path from this I, that is this path, then again it would be cycle. So they are choosing this path, that is C to D. Okay. And thereafter D2E, because only 14 is there and 9 is there, so it is correct. And if you see option 3, GH is there, and then CD, is there. Likewise, we are going like that. And thereafter, they are choosing D and E. So option 1 and option 3 both are correct, because the algorithm is like that. We have to choose any particular vertex. Thereafter, we need to connect the minimum weighted edge one by one, so that all the vertices could be connected. So option 1 and option 3 both are possible cases, hence both are